Hello, the Adam and Val World Tour continues. This time we have a Serge protein-packed peanut in this punch drink. I'm not looking forward to this very much. This comes from, and look at that, the flag's on the side as well, Jamaica. From Jamaica, I'm presuming it's like some sort of peanutty flavour milkshake. But when you read the ingredients, the first thing, which we all know the first thing that comes out is the biggest ingredient, the most ingredient, is water and then peanut butter. Maybe it's not milk. Water and peanut butter doesn't sound good. But we'll see what the fuss is about from Serge. Good old Serge in Jamaica. Let's have a little taste of this. I'm a little bit nervous, to say the least. Can't really smell anything. You see, it's like a milky, dark brown, milky colour. You see that? And it's like drinking peanut butter. I don't know if I could do a whole carton of that. It's quite sickly, not very sweet, which I'm glad about. But it's sitting in my stomach. Not that I've had 26 other things before I've made this one, but it's certainly not horrible. And if you like peanuts, that is going to be the drink for you. By Serge from Jamaica. It's a peanut. It is what I said. It's a peanut flavoured milkshake. It's obviously got loads of protein in it. I don't know if it says on the side. You know, in protein drinks you can get, people go mad on them, don't they? You can get protein powders and everything. It can't be too bad because I keep on drinking it, but it's sitting on my stomach a little bit. I'm not convinced. You can keep that, Serge. If you like peanuts, go and buy one of them from Jamaica. Peanut flavoured milkshake. Subscribe to Adam and Val. We'll be in another country before you know it.